Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Greetings from Brillica Services. Today I will tell you how to swap face in Photoshop with some easy steps. So without wasting time, let's start. So we are on our Photoshop. I have one Mr. Bean image and another is model image. So I will swap these faces. So firstly, cut out your the image and use selection tool according to your requirement or need. Which one is yours? Okay. Now just select move tool and drag the selection face to another model image. Now just press Ctrl T and adjust according to the face. Press shift from your keyboard whenever you are scaling your image. Now just reduce the opacity and I think so this is fine. Now this I'm adjusting my image. Okay. Now just erase the extra part. I'm using eraser to remove that. Okay, done. Now just go to your layer panel and press Ctrl and click on thumbnail. It will select your image automatically. Now just goes to select modify and contract and I'm reducing the selection 10 pixels and click OK. Now just click on below layer and remove it. Do now increase the opacity of above layer. The- Now just select both image and goes to edit and auto blend layers. Click on stack images and okay. Here's some issues so we can manage it through our press Control Z. I'm just using it again. Now this is put it here. Each auto blend and now see we'll manage little bit. There's some issues here, so we'll use mixer brush. Firstly check your mixer brush. I'm just cleaning my container. Edit fill dynamic fill each tool content aware in the object. Edit fill and continue and see. Now it's your turn. So that's it for the video. We'll meet in next video with new challenges. Thanks for watching.